Hello internet world, in today's video we're going to be unboxing and taking a first look at the PDMovie Live Air 2 wireless follow focus system. And after we've done the unboxing and taken a closer look at what we get for our money, I'll be discussing with you just why I've got this product in the Geekanoids studio. So here we go, this is the PDMovie Live Air 2. We're going to take a look at what we get inside the box. Before we open this main box though, let's just pop this to one side and have a look inside this sort of bonus bag. So this is the Rig Air, and this is a bonus item at the moment if you buy direct. There's a link down in the video description, by the way, and this is going to help you to actually mount the Live Air 2 to your camera. So let's take a look and see exactly what this Rig Air is. So we get full instructions inside here, and this consists of like a top plate, a base plate, a handle connector, a main handle, hot shoe connector, some hex spanners and screws, and also a 15mm rod and a rod clamp. So you get pretty much everything. Well, you get everything you're going to need to mount this onto your camera. It's almost like a half cage. Very, very cool. Really nicely detailed instructions as well. And these are all of the components. Again, very nicely presented. So I'm assuming we can tear across the top here and have a look at these individual pieces. So in this one here, we have got the top plate. So this is, or is this the bottom plate? This is the base plate actually. So this is the base plate. So this is going to go on the underside of your camera. And then this side portion here is going to enable you to connect the main handle. So that's nice. I'm not going to be assembling this in this video. I'm going to actually show you this product in action in a future video. This here is the top plate. So again, this mirrors the shape of the base plate, but this is going to be sitting on top of your camera. And as you can see here, it gives you various mounting holes, and also just here, a cold shoe mount as well on the side. This is going to be easier with scissors, I think. So let's just cut this all the way across. There we go. So in this next section just here, we have got two pieces. And this, I believe, is the main handle, just here. And this here is the handle connector. So these are going to, again, go on the side of the camera and enable you to connect the PD Air 2. This one here is the rod clamp. So this is going to actually attach to the rod, which is in the next compartment, and then this is the rod, which is going to enable you to adjust the position of the Live Air 2, the sort of gears that are going to connect to your lens. And then I'm not going to take out what is in this last bag, but this is just some screws to help with the assembly. So nice that we get all of that included. That's a really good bonus value with buying this direct from PDMovie. So let's get this open, take a look inside the main box. So here we go. This is nicely presented. So we have got an additional rod just here. So not sure whether we need this, but we have got an additional rod included. So it says here, please tear open. Is it going to be upside down? I think it is upside down. So there we go. Let's open this the right way up. Wow. So we've got everything we need inside this box to get up and running. Just up in this top section here, we have got a charging cable, USB-A to micro USB. We've also got some instructions for setting everything up. These look equally well presented, and it's going to guide you through attaching the gear to the lens, and also how to use the little remote controller, the wireless controller. Now also in here we have got another rod clamp. So we've got another little rod clamp in here. Again, I'm not sure whether we'll be using this, but certainly it will come in handy. We've also got a couple of batteries just here. Oh, we've actually got 4 batteries in total. These were stuck together though. I'm not sure whether I was meant to take those apart, but we have got what looks like 4 batteries. These are little tiny battery packs They are Li40B or 42B, and they're 800 milliamp hours. So we've got those two there. I'm assuming they come apart, but they are stuck together with something. So I'm going to leave those two attached together. They've got some sort of a residue on them there. But then we've also got this portion here, which is a little tiny charger. So this is going to charge the 4 batteries via USB. So that's really cool. That's just got like a rubberized feel to it. And then this here is the gear, and it looks like I was right. So these batteries go in together. So I'm not sure I was meant to take those apart, but they go in together. It looks like it uses 2 at the same time. I don't want to force these in without reading the instructions, but it looks like they go into here, and this powers the gear. So this is the gear. It's a 0.8 pitch. This is going to go onto your follow focus ring on your lens, and this is going to go through one of those rods and enable you to position it correctly on your camera lens. So that's really nice, nicely made, feels very nicely made. And then here, this is the wireless controller. Now this uses batteries as well. You can see a battery already in here. So we've got 4 batteries in total, although I assume they were meant to remain stuck together. And then this is the little controller with the power on off button just here. And we've got the control that we use for actually controlling your lens and controlling your focus. So this is going to work wirelessly. I think the range of this is 100 feet, or it might even be 100 meters. It's got an extended range over the previous version. We've got a little input here as well for charging this, and it just feels very well made. We've also got just here an additional charging cable, again micro USB to USB-A. So we've got a charging cable that goes with the wireless controller, and also that additional charging cable that goes with the little battery charger here. So there we go, that was my unboxing of the PDMovie Live Air 2. I feel a little bit of a wally separating those 2 batteries, but they have stuck together properly, and they're back in the charger behind me here, charging away so I can set this up and get it up and running. It feels very well built. First impressions are extremely good. Why have I got one of these in the Geekanoids studio? Well, I'm going to be building some camera rigs and also building a wireless follow focus system with a really cool camera field monitor as well. And I'll show you that in a future video. That's it for this particular video. If you want to buy one of these for yourself, I've left a link down in the video description. And if you enjoyed the video, please do hit that like button. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button as well and the notification bell, and I'll see you in another video very, very soon.